To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com to remove the two screws at the bottom of your iPhone 5. Using the suction cup, pull up on the screen until it becomes dislodged. Be sure to control the pulling so that you don't pull the unit open too far, as this might tear the internal connections. While holding the screen up, remove the two screws securing the connector cover. Disconnect the battery from the connector as shown. Gently loosen and pry out the original battery. Position the connector of a new extended life battery from newpower99.com and press into place, then lay the battery into your iPhone as shown. Replace the connector cover and the two screws. Replace the screen top first as shown and snap into place. Replace the two screws securing the back cover. Turn on your Apple iPhone 5 with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Apple iPhone 5 should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.